Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Animash, and yes, I'm back with another comparison video review. Okay, so the watch in question is this SNKL45K1 and of course the SARB033, the discontinued model which has become very popular and certainly increased in price compared to what it usually costs, right? So okay, so let's do a quick swatch check. Today I am wearing my KCL G-Shock GWM5610BC, which come on this super nice, super comfortable combi bracelet. Okay, so let's get back to the watch comparison. So about a year ago I've bought this watch, I think less than 1 year, the SNKL45 in it looks like black but it's actually in dark gray color, and I've made a video saying that this is my Seiko alternative to the discontinued SARB033. okay, so I've got a lot of comments on that particular video. I mentioned that, oh, it's absolutely not a comparison at all compared to the Seiko SARB blah blah blah, and you are comparing an apple to an orange blah 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 and whatever. So you know what, I still stick to my decision, okay, simply because you know what, this one costs about 70 bucks. So when I purchased it, you can still find it at the almost similar price here in Malaysia at least. So let's just say this is 100 bucks, right? So this one, when it was still not yet discontinued, you can get it for around maybe 300 or 350 bucks now. However, you can only find this at about 500 bucks, right? So let's just say let's just go for the retail price. So the question is really, it's just that simple. This is, well, to summarize it, this is a 100 bucks as 100 bucks watch, and this is 500 bucks watch. But is this 5 times more valuable compared to this watch? Man, if you really love your Seiko SARB033 or 035 for that matter, yeah, maybe it is. But for me, I'm a watch reviewer, I'm a watch collector. I couldn't really justify myself to spend 5 times more for this one watch, and I'd rather spend 5 times less to get this watch. Alright, so yeah, anyway, so let's just go through the similarities that you can find between this SNKL S45K versus the SARB033, right? So you can see that I've mentioned in my video saying that the hands are almost similar. You can see that both this watch is featuring this what we call here a dolphin style hand, and both of them has lume on their hands, right? And the hour markers, right? So although they are not exactly the same, where the SNKL45K1 features a rectangular polish marker with a lume pip at the end of each marker. So you can see that I will show you the lume shot later. And of course, similarly, the SARB033 features the same thing. You can see that the lume is at the end of each rectangular marker, and yeah, the only difference is at the 12-hour marker, where the markers is a bit larger, and of course the lume area is also larger, right? So other than that, of course the dial, this one is a what do you call this? Black, not matte black, but a glossy dial. But this one is a sunburst dark gray dial, so that is a difference, but far you can't really tell the difference, right? So, and of course this one has the 7S26 movement, this one has the 6R15 movement, which is an upgraded version of the 7S26 movement, right? So this one doesn't have any hand winding or hacking capability. This one has hand winding and hacking capability, and this one only has the date wheel, whilst this one has day and date wheel, right? So the style, the style is definitely a bit different, but you can tell that the Seiko basically carries over their design cues across their range. And the case here is also not similar, but you can see that this Seiko SNKL45 somehow borrows the curves that you can find on the SARB033. So although you can't find this meticulously stepped lug design that you can find here, but still here you have that, how to say, what do you call this, brush and multiple finishing actually. So this one is polished, this one is also polished, and also this one is brushed. So that kind of makes this this affordable Seiko 5 a much better finishing, I must say, right? So at the back, so of course we can see the SNKL45 with this 7S26 movement, and you can see that it's not a decorated movement at all, and even similar the 6R15 is also a non-decorated movement. So you know what, of course it has a 10 hours power reserve more compared to the 7S26, but you know what, I don't really wear my dress watches, you can call this a dress watch, that much. So most of the time I will be wearing my dress watch, so I'm not gonna, at this point of time at least, I'm not gonna need anything that is within this SARB033 category. So for me, is if I want to use a dress watch, so this watch is enough or sufficient for me, right? So again, the question is, would you buy something that costs $500 in which is this SARB033? For me at least, I'm not gonna buy it, because yeah, at that price point I'm not gonna buy it. But if I could get this for under $300 or even $350 for that matter, so yeah, and then maybe I should consider this watch, because I know with this black and polish indices dial, it looks like a boring watch, but this is a super cool watch because you can dress it up and dress it down. You can put a NATO on it, you can put a leather strap on it, and you can put like all sorts of bracelets for it. It will look so damn cool. But again, the price. Oh, come on guys, come on Seiko, please re-release this thing, right? So again, my pick, because I'm a budget concerned watch collector at this point of time, yeah, I will always pick this one over the SARB033. But it's not really that bad if you want to, if you want to consider the styling that this watch carries. And yeah, I think you can't go wrong. I still stand by my opinion that this SNKL45 K1 is a good alternative from Seiko if you can't afford the SARB033. So that is what I would still say, right? Okay, so if you like this type of comparison review, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to see my future videos such as this, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell button notification twice, so that you won't miss any of my future video reviews. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Oh, I forgot to show you the loom shot, right? See, check the loom. Yes, check the loom, right? Okay, so the loom, you can see that that's the loom on the SARB033, and just at the end of the indices there, and the loom on the SNKL45. So you can see that it's also, so in the dark, let's just shut the other lamp. In the dark, you would definitely see almost similar image, right? Like so. Okay, so now we can end this video. Bye bye.